Hi, I just wanted to show you our new microneedling pen device that we just got in. This is called MDerma, and this is by Derma pen. Derma pen has been around for a while, and this is their latest generation microneedling pen. So the difference between this and our classic microneedle is these needles are totally different. It goes a little deeper into your skin. You will get red and swollen. There will be a little bit of downtime to this. It's not bad, but for me, when I did it, I was red and swollen for about 3 days. And then I peeled a little bit, like a very light sunburn peel. And then by day 7, I thought, ooh, it was so smooth. It felt so good. So I don't know if you're gonna be able to really see this, but I wanna show you. The difference is the needle themselves. This is from our classic microneedle. This is from our new Elite MDerma by Derma pen needle. So these needles seem shorter, and they are they both go vertically up and down. This needle I can't show you, it has to be attached to the pen. And there's fewer needles that seem like sharper, and again, I just don't know that you can see them. You have to be at the right angle, but that's the difference. The needle themselves is an enormous difference between the two. When we do our classic microneedle, there's really no downtime to it, and this one, again, expect to be a little red, a little swollen for a few days. So it's gonna be a little bit deeper treatment. We feel that the skin becomes a lot smoother. We've done it on everybody who's here, and most of us have peeled a little bit, and all of us felt like our results are good, and all of us can't wait to do it again. So I just wanted to give you a heads up. That is the difference. And then the rest of this video, we're gonna show you Aiden. We're gonna show you that I worked on her. You'll see her before and after, and you'll see the needle in motion. Thanks.